Hey guys, welcome back. I received an order today that I had placed with Vanness. So I thought we would do a quick unboxing. They were having their virtual Arkansas pin show sale a week or so, well, I guess about a week ago. And I picked up a few things, so let's go ahead and unbox. Sorry for the noise. I should have already had this opened. All right. So here's my invoice. I ordered several ink samples to go with my my pen BBS in the cedar beige. So get this all wrapped up for the box. And sorry for this paper. Oh, we've got it all in some bubble up here. All right. Sorry. The first thing I got is this notebook. This is a Europa note maker by Clairefontaine. They had this in all different colors. I got it in the purple. It's just a spiral bound, 120 pages, A-fine, lined. I love Clairefontaine paper. It's really smooth, and this is also perforated. Yeah, so this was really inexpensive during their. I mean, I don't think they're too much anyway. Let me see. I'll look real quick. If you're interested, they have these in all different colors. That was $6. All right, and then I got 4 ink samples. And if you recall, I was looking for something that would look good in this pen BBS. I was looking for like a golden brown color. So that's what all of these are. So I got the Robert Oster Gold Antiqua, the Diatriminus Bahama Brown, Diatriminus York Brown, and Robert Oster Khaki. All right, so we will start with the Diatriminus York Brown. I really like the, is it Robert Oster? Maybe it's Diatriminus Havana. I'm not sure who makes that color. It just wasn't quite dark enough. This one's not really dark either. But it is a pretty tan shade. All right, this is, oops. York Brown. Whoops. Oops, looks like that. That's okay. Not my favorite, but not bad. Not quite dark enough. Next we'll do the Robert Oster Gold Antiqua. This one looks like it might be a little darker. Oh yeah. And I really like this. This was what I was looking for, I think. Yes, I really do like that one. What's the name of it again? Okay. Well, I'm having an issue with dip pens lately. Robert. Wow. Oster Gold Antiqua. I really do like that one a lot. That one is a contender for sure. All right. Next we will try Diatriminus Bahama Brown. This one looks pretty dark. This one looks like just a shade lighter than the Gold Antiqua. It's really nice though. Diatriminus Bahama. Brown. Looks like that. And let me hold it up next to the Gold Antiqua. You can see it's just a little bit lighter, but I do like that. All right, and then the last one is Robert Oster Khaki. This is one I've been wanting to try for a while. Wow, I really like this one too. This one is a lot like the Gold Antiqua, but maybe with a little more green in it. I really like it though. Oster Khaki. That may be my favorite. It looks like that. And let me hold this up next to the Robert Oster Gold Antiqua. They are so close. I just think the khaki looks like it has just a tint more green. And then there it is next to the Bahama Brown. And we'll put the York brown up there too. Oops. But I'm thinking that I'm leaning towards these two for this pen. What do you think? Let me know what you guys think. Which one would be prettier? Would you go with the Robert Oster Khaki or the Gold Antiqua? Or maybe you like one of these two, the York. Actually, I think the York's gonna be too light. So, or the Bahama brown. But I'm really leaning towards these two. But I'd love to know what you guys think. So drop me a comment and let me know. All right, guys, that's all I have today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.